Hello everybody. So welcome to this channel. We can see this is a basic home page, which is the landing page for any website. This web page has been divided into certain sections, like the header section, the showcase section, the newsletter section, as well as the section which contains some basic information in form of boxes, and the footer section. So coming to the header section, coming to this section, where here we can put any image or any information in place of these sample text. This newsletter section contains the button for subscription, as well as the field for giving our email address. These info boxes have got some hover effects on them using CSS. As we can see, as the user hovers over them, there's a change in the appearance of these boxes, which is quite they change their color, as well as the border are appearing. Coming to another page, that is the programs page, which is containing the header same as that of home page. And here we can see that this page contains the bar graphs, which can be used for any analysis and representation of any kind of data, which can be populated dynamically with the bar graphs are containing the shadow effect, as well as they are bouncing whenever the page reloads, and with the boom effect they always return back to their position. So if we focus on these particular sticks, whenever we refresh this page, we can see it goes up and again comes back to their original position, again goes up and comes back to whenever the page is reloaded. There is a simple showcase box which contains images which are containing a 3D animation with respect to hover effect. These have got a simple page flip effect with respect to y-axis, and these are simple smooth and eye soothing kind of effects, which can be used for showing any alternate information or alternate image or whatever effect we can think of. And it again contains the footer section. And going back to another alternate home page option, which can be also a possible landing page, which contains some more amount of animation in it, like this. We can see at the top of the page, this is the logo, which is moving from the right corner to the left corner of the page and getting stationary at that particular point once it reaches there. And it contains the basic options like login, about us, and programs offered. Also it contains a slideshow, which is just only changing the images very smoothly with respect to time. So we can set the time as well as images, or the number of images, whatever we want. And again there are the three sections. These sections contain some hidden information, and we can see the effect when we hover over them. They change shape so smoothly, contain the information which was previously not here suddenly appears as fast as the user hovers over them. So we can see this same change in all these three information boxes. And we can go to the login options. The login page is very simple, and the basic login page, which is of standard using the login avatar, and the section for using the input field of username and password with the hover effect on the buttons, and the registration page, which contains basically three fields of username, email, and password with basic checks over them. For example, the format of the email as well as the password protection is present. So if a user tries to register without any proper format of email, so the page will remind to give an @ and the .com in them with the forgot password options. So this was all for the registration page. Going back to the home page, and this is the about us page. This about us page is containing a basic drop down with options like where we can fit the data, or we can preserve for the future use. So this is the drop down which is getting populated. And it also contains the Google Maps, from where we can set a marker for any location, for any office, or for any particular point wherever any organization is located, so that and the map can even change its view to satellite and again to terrain if the user wants. And it's just a simple very equivalent to the Google Maps which we use in our phone, and it can zoom out and zoom in, and all the functionalities which are present in the normal Google Maps are present over here also. And here comes the part where we can showcase the user with a YouTube video, whichever we want, or the user or the publisher wants the user to see. And we can play and pause the video, any particular video whichever we want. So we can see that there's a video here, and again the footer section also. So last but not the least, not so useful but really very cool animation effect to end this particular website presentation. So this page is the animation option. So we can see pretty little squares turning themselves for infinite times, and that's all for today. Thank you.